past question. So we are asked to find the value of x if what we have here equals to what we have here. Of course, this is a short question. So let's see how we go about this. Solution. Now from there, you can write square root of 2 divided by x plus square root of 2 equals to 1 over x minus square root of 2. So from here, the first thing to do, of course, we have a single fraction here and a single fraction here. So what we do is to cross multiply. Okay, that will be this time this and this time this. So that will give us square root of 2 then times x minus square root of 2, that is this time this, equals to 1 times this will still give us x plus square root of 2. Okay, from there let's open this bracket. This time this will give us x square root of 2. This time the square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2, because that will give us square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2, equals to x plus square root of 2. So from there we collect like terms, anything with x to this side without x to this side, so that we have x root 2 then minus x equals to square root of 2 then plus 2. Okay, when this one comes this way. So from here we can factor out of course x. So that is x will be x into x is common here and it's common here. That will be x into x 2 square root of 2 minus 1 equals to square root of 2 plus 2. So from there we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, of course, which is square root of 2 minus 1. That means x will be equals to square root of 2 plus 2 divided by square root of 2 minus 1. Now in case you don't have this answer in the option, what do? We simply rationalize the denominator so that we can get rid of the square root sign in the denominator. What do we do about that? Is to multiply by both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. And of course, conjugate here simply means that if this one is minus, that means the conjugate will now be, of course, plus at this point. Then if it was a plus, the conjugate will then turn to minus. So in this case, the conjugate will be square root of 2 plus 1. So we multiply that to both the numerator and this denominator. And that is square root of 2 plus 2 divided by square root of 2 minus 2, 10 times minus 1 times square root of 2 plus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1. So let's carry out the multiplication. Now, this time this will give us 2. This time this will give us square root of 2. Now we then make use of this. This time this will give us plus 2 root 2. Then this time this will give us plus 2. Then divide by, this time this will give us 2. This time this will give us plus root 2. Minus 1 times root 2 will give us minus root 2. Then minus 1 times 1 will give us minus 1. Okay? So that from there, look at this, square root of 2 times plus 2 square root of 2. This is like saying 1 square root of 2. Then plus 2 square root of 2. That will give us 3 square root of 2. Then 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Divided by, of course, square root of 2 minus square root of 2 is done. Then 2 minus 1, of course, that is 1. So that means the answer is simply 3 square root of 2, then plus 4.